Today our topic respiratory system. Already we learn digestion system and skeleton system. Today our topic respiratory system. We need energy to work. We need air to live. While you sleeping, talking, running, whatever you do, we involuntarily breathe in air. This is called respiratory system. We breathe in and breathe out with the help of respiratory organs. Respiratory organ system consists of the nose, the windpipe, and the lungs. We breathe in through the nose and it passes through the windpipe and reach the lungs. Lungs are sponge-like structure, get filled with the air we breathe in air. Whereas mixed the blood and oxygen in the lungs. We breathe in air, it consists of oxygen. Oxygen break down the food materials present in the cell and release the energy. During the inhalation, lungs are enlarged. During the exhalation, lungs are consist. We breathe in oxygen. Breathe in air consists of oxygen. Breathe out air consists carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, thank you. Next class we will discuss and circulatory system. Okay, thank you.